Okay. More noise campaign. This is the back of that house on the... I think it's on that track at the back. Yeah, this has been going about 2 days. Pneumatic drill. Been angle grinder too, somewhere down there. See, just like before. So just like before, it stopped, right? It stops immediately as I start recording. I'm trying to hide it. It stops immediately as I start recording the video. So, you know, this is what these people do. They've been, you know, actually as well, as soon as I came outside this morning, literally the moment I came outside, woo, woo, distant, you know, sirens going off. But they've been using the sirens less and the revving less. So I think they're trying to switch it up to hide what they're doing. So instead of the revving and the sirens, instead of just that, they're using other means to make noise to try and harass me in my area. So now they're using, as you hear, power tool, power pneumatic drill, and that's stopped, right? It's fucking stopped. Why is it fucking stopped as soon as I start recording? Because that's been going a good hour. Trying to hide what they're doing. Because they monitor my phones. With the technology I exposed last night. So they know what I'm doing. They know when I'm recording them.